This 1963 Chevy Impala presents a promising opportunity for classic car enthusiasts, originating from the Lone Star State. Its Texan and Oklahoman heritage likely safeguarded it from the rust often plaguing vintage rides. With a 283 V8 engine under the hood and factory air conditioning, it promises a smooth ride even under the scorching sun. The recent overhaul, boasting a new fuel system, brakes, tune-up, and tires, adds to its appeal. Plus, the inclusion of a complete new interior is like icing on the cake. While it may not be the flashiest classic on the block, its solid performance and authentic charm make it a worthwhile addition to any collection. At $9,500, it's a Texas-sized steal. This 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlas Supreme presents a nostalgic charm, with its classic design and original features, albeit with some quirks. While the odometer may be stuck, indicative of its age, its reliable V8 engine ensures a decent ride. However, prospective buyers should note the non-functional factory AC and the malfunctioning fuel gauge and speedometer, which could be potential headaches, despite its flaws. The allure of this vintage sedan lies in its preserved essence, offering a glimpse into automotive history. A project for enthusiasts seeking a time capsule, albeit with a firm price tag and a need for hands-on attention. As a classic car aficionado, I must say this 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe is a delightful find, especially with its 289A Coupe V8 engine and Hurst Shift 4-speed automatic gearbox, promising a blend of power and vintage charm. The odometer reading of 45,962 miles suggests it's been gently used for its age. However, the laundry list of fixes required, from the battery to the exhaust and interior, indicates it's a project waiting for some TLC. The scratches on the body are like battle scars, adding character, but they'll need attention. Overall, it's a solid base for restoration or customization, offering a thrilling journey back to the glory days of American muscle, albeit with a touch of elbow grease and a few extra parts. This 1965 Ford Falcon presents a promising canvas for restoration enthusiasts, boasting a potent 300-2 V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic quarter-stick transmission. However, the devil lurks in the details. The demon carburetor, performance cam, and mini tub frame hint at a wild ride, but its current state leaves much to be desired. The absence of a backseat and the need for additional work signify a project demanding both time and investment. Yet, with its solid structure and clean title, this Falcon beckons for someone brave enough to tame its untamed spirit and restore it to its former glory, a journey ripe with both challenge and reward in the realm of classic car restoration. This 1963 Bel Air presents a compelling project opportunity for classic car enthusiasts, With a rebuilt 327 engine and 2-speed power glide transmission, it promises a nostalgic driving experience. Despite its age, essential features like power steering, wipers, and lights are functional, offering convenience. However, the presence of typical rust and minor dents necessitates restoration efforts. The inclusion of new manual brakes and a gas tank enhances safety and reliability. While its odometer reads 100,000 miles, its full-size sedan stature retains its vintage charm. Overall, at $8,500 OBO, this Bel Air beckons those with a penchant for classic American automobiles, promising a journey of restoration and revitalization intertwined with a touch of nostalgia. Thanks for watching, car enthusiasts. If you enjoyed discovering these 5 classic cars under $10,000, stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel, Kingdom. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos to support our community of vintage car enthusiasts. Until next time, keep cruising.